All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a secret hack that I use to contact Amazon seller support and ultimately find the Amazon seller support contact number. Okay, so this is obviously super important. We all have questions that need answering. And one, I would say, if you can, always try to find the answer out on your own first. But for those more pertinent issues, this is really going to be helpful. But don't just go and ask all the questions that you have on your mind. Try to solve them first. But if there's a really big issue, that's when I would recommend contacting. Okay, so let's just say you're at that stage. What you do is go ahead and log into Amazon, your Seller Central account. Scroll up to the top right and click on Help. Once the page loads, go ahead and scroll down, okay, toward the bottom. And you'll see a section here that says Need More Help. Go ahead and click Contact Us. And once this page loads, go ahead and click Selling on Amazon. It might take a second, so let's just kind of click that. There we go. Started to load. All right, so Selling on Amazon. We're going to go to Fulfillment by Amazon to the drop down. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this section and click Investigate Other FBA Issues. Go ahead and click on that. For what kind of issue are you having? Select Other FBA Issue. Now, you can select specific, right? If you have a specific inquiry, like for your title or for whatever, you can use other kind of avenues and try to find it out the best way. But for any issue that I have, this is the way that I get in contact with Amazon seller support the fastest, okay? So that's why I do this. And again, if you have a better way or have any questions, let us all know in the comments below. It's ultimately going to help us out. So yeah, go ahead and scroll down. And what you'll do here is go ahead and enter in as much information as possible, okay? So your reason for contacting, be very descriptive. This is going to help you as well organize your thoughts with them, be as summarized and concise as possible, and as well as including the ASINs. Some people don't fill all this out, and it just leads to more, time and back and forth in the future. So just be as concise as possible. It's going to save some time in the future. And then this is key. For contact method, I always select phone. This is how I get the fastest results, okay? So what I do is I click phone, I enter in my phone number, and I click call me now, and guess what they do? They call me right away, like literally within seconds, I get a phone call from Amazon. So this is what I found to be the fastest, most effective way at getting your most important questions answered in regards to Amazon FBA. This is the best way I found to kind of hack the Amazon seller support contact number. So if you guys have any questions, or like I said, if there's a better way that maybe I'm not aware of, let me know in the comments below. And if you like the video, you can help me out a ton by, seriously, like so much, by hitting the thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button. I really appreciate you watching. Hopefully this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.